Hey everyone. I got these colors out. I think they remind me of fire. So I don't know if we'll call them embers. I think I've already got one called embers. But I think they're pretty. And these are a little 22 gauge and they're really soft. You can just bend them just really easy. And they're ball pens. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these barrel-shaped ones. They're about an 8mm. Might be a hair more. I got these in a mixed bead lot, so I don't know exactly what size they are. And these are diagonal drilled. Put a spacer in between it. Put a little, it's a daisy spacer. And then these are drilled straight. So that one has a little diagonal to it. So we're going to do the other one. Take our orange one. See, I think it looks like fire. It may not, but to me it does. So now we are going to take our round nose. These are just a simple little pair of earrings you can make. Just the idea of something you can do. If you have beads on hand, you can use any bead. It don't have to be these. Because these I got in a bulk bead group. I mean, not my battery, but my card filled up. I'm going to have to get a bigger card because it won't hold hardly anything. So I had a couple videos on it. So I'm going to snip this and try not to snip my wire. Try to get right in there. And I don't have the good glasses on. I'm going to have to send somebody up to the dollar store and get me a stronger pair because these are not what I was using before. I'm going to have to hold it. This is a real thin little wire. Hopefully I've got it. Alright, now, it's a little, see how flimsy that wire is? It bent. So there. Now, let's take this one. I love these stones here, or these beads. Those colors really go good together. Then all we're going to do is take it if you hear the washing machine in the background, I've got the door cracked so my cat can get out if he wants to. He's being a good boy laying in the window and he just don't want to leave it. I don't know if he's seeing birds or what, but he's very content in that window. he used to star in my videos whenever I was painting, and in my earlier ones anyway. But he's got to be a big boy. He'd take up the whole table. One of these days I'll try to get him in the shot and show you. When we brought him a companion home, he used to just want me to hold him all the time, and then whenever I brought her home, she took me over, and he took my husband over. And let me tell you, he is his daddy's boy, because when my husband was in the hospital for 9 days, he licked every bit of his fur off. He was so upset over him not being home. I don't know what would have happened if something bad had happened. But yeah, he did. He's his daddy's boy. He waits for him. He follows him around like a puppy dog. He acts more like a puppy dog than a cat anyway. He's a good boy. Alright, now we're going to twist these open. We're going to take, and I always see you have a where it looks like it's got both wires close to the front, and then it looks different on the back. I always try to put them going the same direction so they look right. I don't know that matters, but I don't know. That might be an OCD thing or something that I do that I don't realize it. Every time I prop my arm on this, it makes my hand shake. And I'm getting older. So don't feel old. But, well, my body feels old, my mind feels young. Why is that not wanting to hang right? Oh, I had it wrapped around it. That's why. Alright, y'all, there we go. I think they're really pretty. I like those colors together. And I'm not a red person. I mean, I always like yellow. But I like all three of these. These look really pretty. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end. And sorry about this video ending wherever it did on that first one, because the card filled up. But I really appreciate y'all sticking out to the end, and I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.